Here is a virtual reality simulation created by Randy Miller, along with Unity programmers at Saudi Aramco, to convey to learners the underlying principles of how seismic surveys are conducted in the field. We are able to use this virtual reality, game if you will, to make obscure physics principles come alive for the player or learner. Since waves encounter different material like solid or molten rock or water, they are used to guess the direction from which the seismic waves migrated from. There are two principal types of seismic waves: P waves, or pressure waves, that goes through liquid and solid materials, and S waves, shear or secondary waves, that only go through solid materials, not through liquid. The travel velocity of these two wave types is not the same. P waves are faster than S waves. As we know from physics, all waves change direction when they pass through layers of different density or refraction, which allows us to calculate the position of major boundaries in the Earth's interior, as well as giving us information about the solid versus liquid character of the various layers, and even about some of their physical properties. In the case of this simulation, oil and gas reservoir engineers new to their jobs can better understand the underlying geology that houses the hydrocarbons through simulation. Since we have years of data that can be inserted into the Unity program, we have a rudimentary calculator of real-life examples upon which our simulation is based, in order to teach our players what happens in a seismic survey. In this case, a truck produces a shock to the ground, and this simulation gives the player an opportunity to move the truck around and create the shock with the resulting graph. These graphs are read, in the real world, by specialists that then predict the field's geology.